This ain't your grandpa's drone. DJI Mini 4K Combo. Cinematic flight, zero hassle, max flex. If James Bond went on vacation, this is the drone he'd pack. The DJI Mini 4K Fly More Combo isn't just a drone, it's your ticket to aerial wizardry without FAA headaches or a PhD in piloting. Weighing in at just under 249 grams, this featherweight flyer skips the registration drama and brings along some heavyweight features. 4K Ultra HD video, a Hollywood-style 3-axis gimbal, and QuickShots that basically make you Spielberg in sweats. Whether you're filming sunsets, skate tricks, or your dog chasing squirrels, this baby captures it all, crispy, smooth, and sexy. Bonus, it fits in your backpack like a burrito. When it comes to value and performance, the DJI Mini 4K stomps the competition like a Godzilla foot. Most drones in this price range give you shaky footage, potato-quality video, or crash into the nearest tree on launch. Not this one. With 10 km HD video transmission, you can explore like a boss and stream epic views without your signal ghosting you. Thanks to its level 5 wind resistance, this little monster shrugs off gusts like it's got something to prove. Add brushless motors, high-altitude takeoff ability, and intelligent in-flight features, and you're flying smarter, not harder. Let's talk stamina. DJI didn't just throw in one battery and call it a day. Nope, you get 3 full-powered batteries, adding up to a beastly 93 minutes of flight time. That's almost a feature-length film's worth of adventure. Other drones cut you off mid-vibe with weak battery life, but the Mini 4K's extended juice game means more sky, more footage, and way less recharging anxiety. Whether you're filming epic mountain views or doing TikTok dances from above, this combo gives you uninterrupted creativity and lets you capture more magic in a single session. If you're new to drones or just tired of the overcomplicated tech jungle, the DJI Mini 4K is basically the Tesla of beginner-friendly drones. One-button takeoff, return to home, and ultra-stable hovering make it a breeze even if your tech knowledge is, let's say, under construction. The DJI Fly app offers interactive tutorials and in-app guidance, giving even the most tech-shy flyers a first-class experience. And unlike other drones that require hours of YouTube rabbit holes, this one holds your hand, without holding you back. Here's the kicker. You're getting all this power, ease, and functionality for a price that doesn't require selling a kidney. Affordable, regulation-friendly, and ridiculously fun, the DJI Mini 4K is basically the cheat code to aerial videography. It's tech-tested, adventure-approved, and built to last. No cheap plastic here, just premium DJI engineering. Compared to anything else in its weight class, literally and metaphorically, it's not just a drone, it's a flying content machine. Your eye in the sky, your portable film studio, your best flight buddy. One tap, and you're airborne. Ready to make your content fly? Or maybe just finally beat your cousin in the coolest gadget department? The DJI Mini 4K is waiting.